Turkiye is emerging as a global leader in unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, boasting the world's largest fleet. These drones provide numerous strategic advantages, extending the operational reach of Turkish forces and enabling efficient surveillance and targeted attacks across expansive areas. Not only are they a cost-effective alternative to manned aircraft, reducing the risk of personnel loss, but also contribute to national defense self-sufficiency and lucrative export opportunities. The diverse capabilities of Turkish drones are exemplified by key models. Symbolizing Turkey's drone prowess, the recently introduced Bayraktar TB3 naval drone, designed for the TCG Anadolu aircraft carrier, further showcases the nation's technological advancements. With features like folding wings to optimize deck space, these drones play vital roles in reconnaissance and strike missions. The Anka series, comprising Anka S and Anka I, adds another layer to Turkey's drone capabilities. A notable addition is the Aksungur, with enhanced payload and endurance, reflecting Turkey's commitment to advancing drone technology. Although around 40 Aksungur drones are currently in service, their presence underscores Turkey's dedication to strengthening its drone capabilities, a testament to constant evolution in both numbers and capabilities. Turkey's drone capabilities encompass medium-altitude, long-endurance UAVs, often referred to as MALE drones. These transformative technologies offer several strategic advantages, revolutionizing warfare. Force multiplication is evident as a few drones efficiently conduct surveillance and strikes, reducing the need for extensive ground forces. This paradigm shift in modern warfare is further complemented by the cost-effectiveness and ease of manufacturing, operating, and maintaining drones, minimizing risks to personnel. The pursuit of national defense self-sufficiency remains a cornerstone, with Turkey allocating an additional $10 billion for new weapons development programs. Reputable publications, including Defense News and Forbes, acknowledge Turkey as a drone powerhouse, emphasizing its upward trajectory in the global drone industry. Jane's Defense Weekly, an authority in the defense sector, underscores this trajectory, driven by both exports and domestic demand. The world has taken notice of Turkey's drone capabilities, not only through reports but also through the explicit statements of Turkish representatives. Their focus on developing and acquiring UAVs reinforces Turkey's dedication to this transformative technology. Turkey's military parades and exercises regularly showcase the impressive breadth and depth of its drone arsenal, underscoring the nation's defense capabilities as a formidable force on the global stage. Turkish drone production has already transitioned into mass production, solidifying its status as a leading force in the evolving landscape of unmanned aerial vehicles. Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.